Jogging!
We're supposed to be at Porsche's 15 minutes ago.
Sorry.
Well, come on. Get moving.
I don't want to go to your stupid party, okay?
But you promised, Aidan. They're expecting both of us. I am not turning up on my own again.
I said I don't want to go. I don't want to listen to a whole bunch of women prattling on. Besides, I'm tired.
Well, you should have gone jogging then.
We always go jogging.
Fine then. I'm going.
Fine.
I might even need a man who appreciates me.
Yeah.
Like Gary.
Gary, that pansy.
He does it for me more than you ever have.
What do you mean by that?
Do not wait up.
Come back here.
Never drink tequila again.
Never. Who's that mean?
That's probably still in bed as usual. Hello.
Hello. We're home and we're absolutely twisted.
I suppose I better check upstairs.
Do you mind if I grab something from the fridge?